Ever wondered why your favorite salesperson is suddenly super enthusiastic about that product you've been eyeing? Or why you've been bombarded with offers for something you didn't even know you needed? There's a good chance it's because of something called a SPIFF. Now, before you start thinking this is some kind of secret sales jargon, let's clear the air. SPIFF stands for Sales Performance Incentive Fund. It's essentially a bonus or commission given to salespeople to motivate them to sell a specific product or reach a certain sales target. But it's more than just that. It's a strategic tool companies use to move products, introduce new lines, or simply boost sales during slow periods. Imagine you're a salesperson. Your base salary is decent, but it's not going to make you rich. Now, picture this. Your boss comes to you and says, sell 10 units of this new gadget, and you get a bonus of $500. Suddenly, that gadget becomes a lot more interesting, doesn't it? That's the power of a SPIFF. But how does it benefit the company? Well, for starters, it's a quick way to clear out inventory. Maybe they have a surplus of winter coats in the middle of summer. A well-placed SPIFF can motivate sales staff to push those coats out the door. Or perhaps they're launching a new product. SPIFFs can generate buzz and excitement among salespeople, who in turn can create a ripple effect of enthusiasm among customers. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Over-reliance on SPIFFs can create a short-term sales boost at the expense of long-term customer relationships. If customers feel pressured or manipulated, they might be less likely to return. Additionally, if SPIFFs are too generous, it can eat into a company's profit margins. So, the next time you're faced with an overly enthusiastic salesperson, remember, there might be a SPIFF at play. It's a tool that can be used for good or bad, but understanding it can help you make more informed decisions as a consumer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.